Motivational thoughts. Once you are matured, you will realize that silence is more powerful than proving your point. Ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. Don't let what is happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. A single act of kindness throws out roots in all directions, and the roots spring up and make new trees. Don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones to rise above them. Life is about balance. Be kind, but don't let people abuse you. Trust, but don't be deceived. Be content, but never stop improving yourself. How beautiful it is to stay silent when someone expects you to be enraged. Everyone has a history. What you do with it is up to you. Some repeat it, some learn from it. The really special ones use it to help others. When you push yourself beyond limits, you discover inner reserves which you never thought existed earlier. Be nice to people on your way up because you will meet them on your way down. Thank you.